Welcome everyone. I'm going to create a BusinessWorks project application that allows you to send an email with attachments. So in a few easy steps, we'll have your process created. First thing, we'll create a starter process, starter activity. Next, we'll want to pick up files from somewhere so that we can provide them as attachments to our send email activity. So here I'm going to use this folder, ctemp email, and we'll pick up any file that's in this folder that matches the star.txt extension. Now we add our mail activity. Create our SMTP property resource. Let's go to our resource here on the left. Plug in your information for your SMTP server. If it requires a username and credential, provide those. Test your connection. And then let's configure. So here I'm just going to go ahead and use an ID that is registered with my email account. And I'm going to send it back to the same ID. I set the subject. And for this, I want to use a date time function. So I know when this email was sent as part of the subject line. I'm going to use the current date time. And I'll grab the picture string. And then now I need to come down to my MIME envelope section, MIME part. And from my list files, I want to grab file info, drag that across and create a for each. And I do need to also specify the name, the full name path for the attachment itself. We're going to map this to file name. Content disposition. This is where we apply the name of the file. Again, we're going to use a concat feature here. And this part's a little bit tricky, but if you use this syntax right here, I can pull in the file name. And the content type, you do want to make sure that you specify a content type here. This helps the email clients, browsers, to interpret the type of data, and this affects how they display it in your email client. In this case, my content type is text plain. However, I would also recommend check out the MIME types that are registered in Mozilla. So if you can go to this URL, you can look at the list of popular MIME types, text plain, and anything else should be application octet stream. However, you could use some of these other ones or go to the full list which is officially maintained on the IANA registry. All right, let's go ahead and test out this application. And if we refresh our email client, here's my attachment, doc1.txt. And there you have it. Just like that, you can now send attachments with BusinessWorks email palette.